red lentil dal along with your choice of vegetables, you will be amazed how a humble dal can be transformed into such deliciousness. Namaskar and welcome to Curries with Boombi. This is what I call the ultimate comfort food. So let's get started. For this recipe, you can use any vegetable according to your liking. I sometimes call it a fridge cleaner recipe, as you can even use any vegetables that have been lying around in your fridge for a while. I like using potatoes. Cut all your vegetables into long pieces. I had only one carrot left in my fridge, so I am using it up. You can even use radish. This ridge gourd had been lying for a while in my refrigerator. That's why it looks really sad. But hey, I won't be dumping it in the garbage, as that breaks my heart. And believe me, ridge gourd goes very well in this preparation. I will be using an eggplant as well. Okra also goes very well in this recipe. Then I need a tomato. Use a firm one so that it retains its shape. I like to cut it into long slices as well. Here I have let a pot of water come up to a boil. I had washed and soaked red lentils for about 15 minutes. Then I drained all the water and added it to the boiling water. I added a teaspoon of turmeric powder. Let the dal get boiled on medium-high heat. In the beginning, you will see all this foam forming on top. I like to remove that. While the dal gets cooked, let's come to the vegetables. Here my pan is on medium-high heat and I have added 4 tablespoons of oil in it. Now I will be frying the vegetables one at a time. Fry the harder vegetables first, so I added the potatoes. Fry to a golden brown color. Then take them out and add them to the dal. Next goes the carrots. Fry for a minute just like the potatoes and add these to the dal. Now cover your pan till your dal starts getting little soft. In the meanwhile, fry the other vegetables which are softer in texture. Do not add these vegetables now in the dal, as they will turn into a mush. So we will be adding these when the dal gets nearly done. We want all the vegetables to turn tender, but they should still hold on to their shape. Let's go back to the dal now. I added a teaspoon of grated ginger and little warm water. For this recipe, I like the dal to be on the thicker side, so I add warm water little at a time throughout the cooking process. Cover it again till the potatoes start getting tender. As you can see now, the lentils have started to get softer. So at this point, I will be adding the softer vegetables. Then I added some frozen green peas. You can also use fresh green peas. And no, I haven't forgotten the salt. Sometimes lentils take longer time to be tender if you add salt in the beginning. So I always add it once the lentils start getting soft. Again I added a little bit of warm water and cover it till all the vegetables become tender and the lentils get fully cooked. So my vegetables have become tender and my dal looks perfect, so now I will be adding the tomatoes. Cover it and give it a few more minutes. Then I added little bit of sugar to balance the flavor. And finally, I love to add roughly chopped coriander leaves. The freshness from those leaves at the end takes this dal really to another level. There is yet another important component left that still needs to be added, so please don't go now. Now I will take this off heat and pour it in a bowl. Then comes the magic ingredients that will take this dal to the ultimate level of yumminess. Heat a small pan over medium-low heat. I added 4 teaspoons of oil. Once the oil turns hot, lower the heat to minimum. Then it will be a bit dramatic. I added a dried red chili, then half a teaspoon of Panch Foron. Immediately take your pan off heat and add this on the dal. You can even use cumin seeds if Panch Foron is not available at your place. Serve this with rice or roti. Please give me a thumbs up if you like this video, and if you are new to my channel, please consider subscribing. Eat healthy and stay healthy. Bye bye.